Hi there, it's Di with WTI, and I really like the Brawny paper towels. It's because they are so durable. Like, who can really say that they can lean on their paper without the roll getting smashed down? And the nice thing about this is when it's over, and then I just change a new one. And what is also remarkable about this is the fact that the rolls are made so durable that they never have that feeling that they squish. And also they are extremely absorbable. Let's just demonstrate and dump this water here, because none of the water is actually coming over this. It all stayed inside of this towel. Of course, you might need 2 towels, but if you want to save paper, you can even reuse this and let it absorb it again. Because they're so durable, they can do the absorbing job twice. The point was that I really like Brawny paper towels because they are so durable. So even for using several times for water spill, you can just keep reusing it. And that, of course, is just my point of view.